Guys, what's up? How you doing? Everybody know me. Imagine, what's up, JK fam? And we back with another video. Imagine, make sure you hit that subscribe, comment, like, and all those things. No. What's up, JK fam? And we back with another video. We love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in. We're at 95,000.
Let's go, bro. 5 more, 100K. Boom!
Shit! We love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in to another episode. Today is the Cypher day. NLE Choppa. Who we got else, man? Rod Wave.
Lil Tjay.
We got Chika. 2020 XXL freshman Cypher. Yesterday we did a great one. We had, Paulo G. We got Jack Sparrow.
Bro, Jack Harlow,
and then we had this new kid, Lil Kid.
Lil Kid, bro. Jesus Christ, bro. Guys, let's go.
Let's go!
Oh Lord, just
What?
another one. Move around the killing and all the dealing and all the drilling. I just be putting my heart in all of my songs. I make sure y'all niggas feel it. That nigga he ready, we cutting his song. Look like paintballs when we hit him. Lord forgive me, I'm a sinner in the winter, rockin' chinchilla, eating that dinner. We know we stay with the whole house up if you play. Fuck that hoe, she told what I said, don't need no mouse hole in my face. Run for the J so much next time I see him, I might dump this cake. Slap on the wrist, they give me probation, but the nigga prayed I beat that case. Give me the blood and you know I'ma face it. Eyes were low and
That's not straight off the bat, man. This guy's always been like really creative with his flow. That's what I like.
Bro, we have to continue the shot of flows, bro.
Yeah, big time. We're gonna continue, but let's start off the bat. How we just comes in straight off the bat with like some bars, bro. Like he puts emotions into his words,
and he says it too, bro. I put everything on the track so people can feel it, bro.
Exactly, bro.
Yo, something with a chinchilla, bro. I'm a sinner, bro.
Bro, he's eating properly, bro.
Let's go, bro. Put it back.
I look like an agent. Roll before when I'm moving a major. Shoot a moving on your block, X-rated. Sipping on raw. Bows I'm selling, I'm getting them out. Bows I'm selling, I'm getting them out. And fuck what you said, we getting them choked.
Rod Wave!
Pushing it started. I had to grind for it. Bang out with bands and lines for it. Put in a little overtime for it. Now I feel like I shine for it. Brand new coupe go too fast. No backhand ran through that. Niggas tryna see how he do that. I was broke, I ain't had.
Bro, the flow, bro.
It's like that chokiness that he has in his
It's good, bro.
I like that they found, I don't know about the two other people that are coming next, but NLE Choppa and Rod Wave's voice together.
Bro, the dog, bro, too. The dog is in the Cypher.
Some parts,
yeah,
bro.
Let's go.
I had nothing, kicked out of the house, living with my cousin, bank account. Cost started running, problems kept coming, mama kept praying. Praying God got a baby, it's crazy. One apartment, 4 niggas, air mattress got a hole in it. Remember on the rapping, I was with the trapping on the blow it, bro. Trying to make it happen.
I love how the other guy, I think that's Lil Tjay, bro. He's feeling it, bro.
Lil who?
Lil Tjay.
It's Lil Tjay, bro. Let's go.
I'm so bad with this, huh?
I know, bro.
It's like the Armenian version of I don't know who, bro, but I'm trying to figure out whose name is who, but.
On the rapping, I was with the trapping on the blow it, bro. Trying to make it happen on the blow it, black waiting for some action. Niggas tells forward, getting pushed backwards. I remember, nigga, all them cold Decembers, nigga. I can't believe that I'm finally winning, nigga.
Chika!
Yo, wait, let's stop it right there. Let's stop it right there before Chika comes in. I love his verse, man. I love his verse, man. It feels like it comes from right here. I like that he mentioned, like living in a home with like
from the bottom, bro.
Just a couch, bro.
He started from the bottom and now he's at the XXL, bro.
Bro, big success on both these dudes right off the bat, man. Like they're gonna do great in the business.
For sure, bro.
Like we said, bro, keep doing your thing, man. The bars are good, man. I like the flows.
Let's go.
Very unique style. Obviously, Rod Wave, he could sing, so I'm excited for like more things. I know a lot of people were commenting on Rod Wave, do this, do that. So
can't wait, bro.
We're gonna do them.
I'm here for the moment, feel like I go for the sauce of a poet. Cause young nigga feel like she know it. Oh, been for this shit, I'ma show it. Oh, bet you all expect the rapid fire. Yeah, never XXL do it live. Passionate smile, But if I'm being honest, I promise mama do it, I'd rather slow down. Listen to gather around, look. Do I have a story and tell about glory? A nigga defeated me yours. Got used to a budget, but now I say fuck it in stores, I don't care what it costs. I gotta admit it, I never envisioned a life where I wasn't a boss. I think of my ex and the level of stress, he be feeling a hell of a loss. I'm in no position to flaws, I'm in no position to plead. I knew I was running the course, but damn it, I'm taking the lead. I'm coming from sweeping the floors to
I'm not gonna lie, at first I was like, yo, the mic is a little maybe too close that I wasn't hearing her. But yo, the bars are coming right now.
But bro, who's this girl with that?
Chika's, bro. I'm digging
look
her,
at the
man.
doggy, bro. The doggy's sleeping.
I'm digging
Put
her.
it back, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back a bit.
Real life where I wasn't a boss. I think of my ex and the level of stress, he be feeling a hell of a loss. I'm in no position to flaws, I'm in no position to plead. I knew I was running the course, but damn it, I'm taking the lead. I'm coming from sweeping the floors to rolling the blow with Elise. When they put my name on a board, make sure it's a permanent. They look, I've been on my grind since
Make sure it's permanent, bro.
When they put my name on the board, bro. Spit the bars, bro.
I like her a lot, man. So
I
far,
like
this
her.
selection together.
Perfect, bro. Perfect match.
When they put my name on the board, make sure it's a permanent. They look, I've been on my grind since midnight. Made it get my time, no midwife. I ain't not surprised at this life. Everything I rhyme is hit type, yeah. Everything I rhyme is hit type. Got an itty bitty boy with a pit bite. When they play it on tour, when I look at it on the floor, even more guaranteed to get the pin height.
Wow!
So cute, bro. Yo, wait up, bro. Wait up. Calm down,
you're
bro.
gonna, bro.
You're gonna relax
Put it
a
back.
bit. The heart.
Put it back, cause
Bro,
that was the ho ho. The doggy is sleeping, guys.
Bro, I think the dog is like, what am I doing here, bro? Am I part of the XXL?
Yeah, bro.
On the floor, even more guaranteed to get the pin height.
I put a 3-5 in the wood to blow this pain away. Yeah, nigga really made it out the hood. I got through the rainy days. I still got some real niggas in the cell. They sent the whole gang away. Guess I'm a real nigga from the start. I guess I was trained this way, The order more, I got it
Bro,
rolled.
that was a nice line, though. I guess I was trained this way.
Wait, bro. Good, but the flow for me is.
The flow has its own style. It's like that Chief Keef kind of like.
What Chief Keef, bro?
Chef Kebab, bro.
But I need the flow to hit me, bro.
You remember yesterday when we were doing the Cypher, at one point the guy's doing something very similar to this?
then, bro, they
Boom, 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 boom. You're like, oh my god, hallelujah.
No, but the
I
flow
agree
right
with
here,
you, man.
let's go, bro,
I agree
let's
with
go.
you, but let's continue. Let's see what you
Blow
got.
this pain away. Yeah, nigga really made it out the hood. I got through the rainy days. I still got some real niggas in the cell. They sent the whole gang away. Guess I'm a real nigga from the start. I guess I was trained this way, The order more, I got it rose. Finna cop out on the roads. I done seen so much since I pay a toll. So I be smoking on the dough. It kinda help my demon show. Sometimes I be feeling low. Sometimes I be feeling low. They try to give my nigga 25. They try to number homicide. Like feel my gods, sound feel God. Just try to feel my God. Go and feel that for you the God.
You know what? I'm looking at him and he doesn't look confident.
No, he doesn't look confident at all, bro. But he's young too. He looks very young.
He looks young.
It looks like it's his first time doing something.
Exactly,
Yeah.
bro. Like on stage.
Yeah.
And he's a bit shy, you know? Like,
It sucks, man.
I don't know, put it back.
I'm not a fan of the that
There's
tone.
no dynamic.
no,
like,
there's
like,
no-
Feel the flow, bro. Where's the flow?
Just try to
Guys, what's up? How you doing? Everybody know me. Imagine, well, what's up, JK fam? And we back with another video. Imagine, make sure you hit that subscribe, comment, like, and all those things. No.
oh my God, life be at that boy, you the God. I the church is only being the God. Humans they don't wanna see on the God, yeah.
I like where he's going though. Like he has. I like. Like
it was
it's
okay.
well constructed. Like I like where he was going. Obviously,
But he didn't spit it right.
He
bro.
didn't spit it right exactly.
He didn't spit the flow that what I, bro. I want
He
the
wasn't
flow,
bouncing.
bro. No.
It felt like he put a cup of water, empty cup, and he just poured the water in, and it just overflowed. You know, it didn't have no structure for me. But I like his storytelling. Like
And he wasn't confident on camera, bro. Like
I mean, if you're at this level, man, you're trying to sell yourself, and you know that's the whole thing.
Bro.
Like
Sell
NLE
yourself.
Chopper, he didn't have to because we already know where he belongs. But like, you know, you had the girl, for example. For me, like, I'm curious now. You know, I'm clicking on her. I want to find out more about her.
But she's holding a dog.
Lil Tjay, Lil Tjay, whatever his name is. I'm curious, obviously, because I want to know where he comes from. And why am I holding you, man? I'm curious to like where he's from and what he's been doing. But overall, man, big fan of the two first people.
Yeah.
And then the girl, I'm very curious to find out. So I'm gonna give her
I like
this.
the girl.
Yeah.
I like the
Don't forget
Chopper.
Chopper's sick, man.
Bro, his flow killed it. And Rod Wave, bro.
Rod Wave, exactly.
You can't hate on this guy because he could sing.
So guys, please let us know who's your favorite from this Cypher. Also, make sure you describe.
Make sure to describe what? Guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, like,
Comment, share the whole
package.
package. It's a whole package.
But the JK Bros,
We gotta go, and we'll see you on the next video.